Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. Before we get into the chart lesson today, I have some awesome updates that I want to share for you. Now, some of you may not know, when you join my IOTS trading community, you also get access to my Discord. In the Discord, we kind of like to, flex them past challenges and, some numbers and how many points we snagged today. So let's go to the Discord because we had a special announcement today. So help me congratulate and celebrate Rightful Heir, who passed their first prop firm challenge today. So they got funded for the first time and they put hashtag IOTS gang. Let's go, gang. Let's continue to IOTS all 2026. Rightful Heir, we congratulate you. We know you're gonna move on and continue on your journey. And hey, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Thank you so much for sharing. She had, or I said she, but they had put in there that they had taken the course, gotten in, have been picking it up, and hey, passed their first challenge. That's awesome. Congratulations. All right. And so I also have some awesome news to celebrate today. All right. Let me run over here so I can show you guys that I got my welcome to the NinjaTrader Ecosystem email today. Hello, JD. Congratulations. I'm excited to share that our compliance and executive teams have officially approved your content and vendor relationship with the NinjaTrader Ecosystem. What does that mean? Hey, that means that my IOTS Futures Trading System is now being added to the NinjaTrader Ecosystem. And I am so honored. I mean, I am just so honored that they have noticed the value that I am giving to the trading community, to the futures trading community, to the point that they wanted to partner. And so I am so honored by this happening. I can't even say. See, I have been using NinjaTrader since day one. I have never used any other platform as long as I was in futures. And so, it's just perfect because they're all I've ever used. That ATM strategy, I can't make it without it. I can't even, the C3 grab 2 strategy, ATM strategy that I got going on right now, I can't trade without that. Like, and my other ATM, every strategy that I have that people love, right? The setups is one thing, but then you gotta have that ATM strategy to put it all together. It's NinjaTrader. Without that, we don't, it's not working the same, all right? It's not working the same. So, hey, I'm honored. I'm so honored that, hey, the course is going to be in their ecosystem. They honor me with that, and it's just such a blessing. So listen, if you are new to trading, even if you are new to trading, and if you want to set your charts up like my chart is, if you want to have it clean, if you want to trade from clean price charts also, because NinjaTrader, y'all, it can be a little tricky getting y'all set up. Also, if you want my current ATM strategy, all right, I put together a new guide. Just comment setup, all right, or scan this QR code. All right, and when you get the new guide, just download the latest version of NinjaTrader from the link inside the guide. Go through the guide, set everything up, and you will be on your way, all right, with a clean price chart so you can read the price action and an ATM strategy ready to go. All right, so now let's go over and look at the call of the day. And I just, I had to give you the good updates. Again, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations to Rightful Heir. Congratulations to me for my trading system being added to the NinjaTrader ecosystem. And so now let's go and see how the market was today, all right? So my call, bias is neutral. I gave the KP high, KP low. We have had 2 touches of the KP high and 1 touch of the KP low. We are in a range. Range rules apply until we break out. So that's my call that I gave out right out the gate this morning. Range rules apply until we break out. So let's see how the market shook out today. Okay. All right. So check this out. Let's see something. I'm just going to come back to that. Check this out. Oops. So where the beginning of the market at? Right here. All right. Here's the beginning of the market. Let's see. Here's the beginning of the market. Here's about where I sent out the email. We was right in the center of the range. And then we came down. So look, as we came down, bam, we get the touch right here. This is the first touch of this key entry level right here. Now look what it did last time. I was sitting here thinking about this right here, about what it did last time. So your boy was ready to go right here. To me, it's a range fade. It's also a second entry long from this high. Push down, first entry, push down. This is a second entry long. Now the signal candle was terrible. The signal candle was terrible. I make no qualms about it, but it still was a second entry long off my key entry point. So I'll take a bad signal candle when I got a key entry point touch, second entry long, and I'm a mile away from the 21 EMA. So I know the 21 EMA should act as a magnet at this point. I'm going right here, folks. All right, you go right here. It might be a short, let's see what I did on it. Yeah, went right here. I knew it was going to go. It locked me in, knocked me out. I could have got a pretty nice win on this. All right. Now, it wasn't this. I wish it had been. But at least I knew to go because I had the bias. I knew that we was ranging and, had all these previous touches. Everything said go long right here, even though we're dropping. And that's price action. You have to just, when you understand how the market really works, it doesn't matter what it looks like. You know what it's doing. So then we truck over some more. Look, we broke out, right? But we came right back in. Now, when we broke out, you would have been looking for the breakout pullback. So we pulled back. You would have been looking for the breakout. Here's the pullback, but where's the candle to say we finna do this? You don't get it. It started ranging up here, and then it breaks back in. You got to give up on that breakout pullback right there because we're ranging. So don't just try to make something that ain't there. The breakout pullback really didn't trade. Even though we broke out of here, the setup wasn't there. So if you stick to the range fade bias, you're going to take this low, push up, higher low right here. You got all this rejection right here to show you there ain't nothing but buyers here. Pushed up. Then right here, beautiful signal candle, close higher and all that. Go right there, folks. You go right there. You go long right here. That's a pretty nice run. Let's see what that would have done. Let's see, you go right here at about 50. Man, you run that up to, let's just stay here. 63, that's a 13 point run right there. Same deal here. If you don't want to take this one, this is the break back in. It broke in, it pulled back, tested, couldn't go lower. OMG, if you don't go right here, if you don't go right there, you still go right here. Either way, you take either one of those. And if you get it right here at 50, this time you ride it up to 75. That was a 25-point move, folks, off of our key entry point low. Let me say that again. That was a 25-point move off of our key entry point low, which you would have had, this is 10:30, you would have had at 7:30 or 8:30. 2 hours ahead of time, you would have known to look to take some trades from 68, 50, 50 if you was in the community. All right. Then look what finally happens, people. Here's the breakout. Now let's check it out. We broke out. We came back, tested. Look at the rejection. Couldn't go higher, couldn't go higher, couldn't go higher. And then bam, right there. There's your trade. That's also a wifey. That's a wifey. Red, green, red pattern near the 21 EMA, near the key entry level. You might want to go right there. Even though you've been going long all day, I said range fade until the breakout. Here you go. That's the breakout. Bang. And if you catch that breakout, man, you got to be done for the day. That's 44. You ride this down to 18. From 44, where my calculator? I ain't good at math, y'all. 44 minus 18, 26 points. So there were some pretty nice moves out here. 26-point move, 25-point move, what a 13-point move, and a little 2-point move I caught. But hey, a winning day is a winning day. I'll take a green day any day. I'll take a green day any day. All right. So listen, if you've been struggling, if you want to be able to trade from a clean price chart, use a great ATM strategy to help you trade as a professional. Comment, setup, scan this QR code, all right? Get the new guide, click the link, get the newest version of NinjaTrader Inside, click the link, and get yourself set up. And let's do some big things in 2026, all right? And so until next time, remember I'm gonna be doing these Monday through Thursday now, so I'm off tomorrow. Don't look for no video, but I'll be back Monday, all right? So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye. I forgot to mention the course is still on sale right now for 75% off. Just grab it in the link in the description.